In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a flight on Agoda without needing a passport. I know it sounds a bit unusual, but rest assured it's entirely possible if you're planning local travel. Let's dive in and explore each step in detail, making sure you're prepared for a smooth booking experience. First, open your preferred web browser and go to agoda.com. It's a user-friendly platform that allows you to easily book flights, accommodation, and more. Once you're there, navigate to the section where you can input your flight details. This is crucial as it forms the basis of your booking process. You'll want to enter the city you're departing from and the city you plan to travel to. Make sure these are domestic destinations, as this ensures you won't need a passport for travel. Now, travel without a passport is most common in local or domestic flights. So, when you're entering your details, choose local destinations you love. If you're unsure, consider locations you've always wanted to explore within your own country. This is especially exciting if you're looking for a quick getaway without the hassle of international travel requirements. Next, once you've settled on your destination, it's time to select your travel dates. Your dates are an essential part of the process, determining flight availability and pricing. So choose dates that work best for your schedule, keeping in mind any flexibility that might help you save money or find more convenient flight options. After you've set your travel details and chosen your dates, click on the Search Flights button. This will initiate the process of finding available flights that match your criteria. Agoda will present you with a list of potential flights, including various airlines, times, and prices. Once you have a list of flights, it's time to select the one that best suits your needs. Consider factors such as flight duration, layovers, and, of course, the cost to ensure it fits within your budget and preferences. After reviewing options, select your flight by clicking on it. With your flight chosen, you'll proceed to select your ticket. Be sure to review all the conditions related to your chosen flight, including cancellation policies, luggage allowance, and any additional fees. Once you're satisfied, proceed to the booking process. Now, during the booking phase, you'll be prompted to enter personal information. You'll be pleased to know that for domestic bookings within this context, you'll only need to provide your name and contact number. This simplifies the process significantly, sparing you from having to dig out your passport or any additional documentation. And that's it! You've successfully booked a flight through Agoda without needing a passport, all set for your upcoming local adventure. Thanks for joining me today, and happy travels!